This is normally where we get everyone to get down on the floor, but... Do you want to?
No.
He's shaking his head. Come on, get down on the ground! Come on!
Get those knees creaking, let's go.
Come on. Hey, I've got arthritis, and even I'm gonna get down. Come on, get down! Let's get some energy going, guys, let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready, Max Bro? Yeah? I've got eye contact with this guy, yeah? I'm with you. I quite like this, it makes us feel like we're like kings or something as well. Might just leave you all down there for a little bit.
It's like being in the year 6 assemblies.
Has anyone knees hurting yet?
Got the whole world.
Ready? Are we ready?
I wish I was 18, going out shower, taking a rush, being up to go. I don't know why you come around. I wish that I was 18, going out shower, taking a rush, being up to go. I don't know why you come around. You always come around.